All right. Okay. Today we had a pretty good day. We have ended off with just under 3,000 from this trade. I'm a bit disappointed with the risk today. I just don't think we risked enough compared to the two trades I took yesterday and lost. If I'd have risked a bit more, if I'd have risked the amount I wanted, we probably should have made about four to 4,500 today, but we're ending off with just under 3,000. I mean, I had my stops pretty tight on this trade. We risked just over 1,000. If I'd have had the stops where realistically they should have been, it probably would have been about right. A 1 to 2 seems about right. We had a new day opening gap on the phone, which is where I took full profits. And we had some partials here. We had equal lows, London lows. It all goes through so quickly. We took a little bit off and then full take profit. Perfect execution, perfect patience, perfect take profits. Can't complain. I think just the only takeaway for today is look for holding trades to get really the most out of them. We could have held down to here. This was not a low I saw getting taken, but realistically, we had hit full take profit within 5 minutes, and we hadn't even seen a 1 minute up candle. It was realistic to expect us to go lower, and I didn't hold any position left on the table to go and take get any extra profit for me. Disappointing. Could have managed to get a bit of a profit on the week. But yeah, two pretty bad trades yesterday. Happy to be ending break even. Yeah, just overall, I'm very happy. We're bullish on every higher time frame. I can't complain too much. I'm happy. Just maybe look at this and take a bit of, I don't know, man. I think I'm pretty happy because realistically, at any time we could have taken this out reverse and then gone up to take out these highs. I think I'm happy with the way I took my profits. We were down on the week. There's so much going on here. We were down on the week. I'm happy. Let's not complain too much over a win. We're up. Let's go over it. So this is the 5 minute for ES, and this here is the 5 minute for Nasdaq. Prior to market opening, we had taken out London highs already, whereas on ES, way below, we had a potential SMT, bullish, gets invalidated, kind of gets written off when we take out these highs and then make a bearish SMT. We break down here. We break 5 minute structure here with that 5 minute candle. On Nasdaq, same thing, break 5 minute structure. We get a 5 minute up. This is just a doji on Nasdaq into, I guess, the breaker block. Pretty good. And yeah, here on ES, obviously equilibrium. Actually, on the 1 minute, we create a bearish SMT of the 1 minute candles here. And here on Nasdaq, we don't trade above them. Another good confluence. And then yeah, we're just waiting for the inverse here of this 1 minute fair value gap. This gets broken. We then trade up on the next candle. We get a perfect entry here. Stops. Not above the highs we just made. We didn't need them above these highs. It's just not going to trade towards that. Again, if it trades towards that, the trade's not very good. You can tuck it under these wicks, and that's pretty good. Had a good stop loss. Obviously, I'd be complaining that it was too tight if I lost this trade, but then it's just going to make this a bad risk to reward. We had a pretty good risk to reward. Very good. Take profits, great. Full take profit. Like I said, we had a gap on the phone, which was where the full take profits was, and we have ripped way lower, like dump work. Yeah, that's perfect setup. We waited for everything, waited for the 5 minute up candle. Very patient. After yesterday, so choppy. Maybe I was a bit scared on this trade today. Definitely, I just should have risked more. This was great. Let's just not let this get to us. Just be happy with the risk. You know, it's yeah, I just can't let all this risk get in my head. It's too much for me. You know, sometimes I'm risking too much, and sometimes I feel like I'm not risking enough on some of these wins. But yeah, this is good. Just yeah, like sometimes on the phone I'm trying to fucking get the perfect entry, and it's like all of a sudden the price is changing of where my stops are, and constantly changing it. Not always going to be perfect. Perfect. Let's just be happy today with this nice win. Break even on the week, and hopefully next week maybe we can get a few wins throughout the week, a few big wins instead of losses, and yeah, we can get a nice big move, because right now we're literally break even on the whole month so far. It's pretty boring. I think yeah, we're just under £100 down on this week. I can't remember what it was in the first week. I think was I up? I don't know. But yeah, pretty good day. Should have held to those lows. You would have just had to wait a bit longer for that to get hit, but could have left a runner. That's the only bad bit. But yeah, pretty good day overall.